Things you will experience as a meditation beginner. Starting meditation can bring up challenges like wandering thoughts or unexpected emotions, which are normal parts of the process. Embracing these moments can help improve mental health, reduce stress, and build emotional resilience. Mind wandering. The aim isn't to empty your mind, but to focus on the present. When you notice your mind drifting, gently bring your attention back to your breath or a calming word. Emotions coming up. Sitting quietly may bring up feelings you've been pushing aside. Allow yourself to feel these emotions fully, then let them pass. Falling asleep. If you doze off, it likely means you're not getting enough sleep. Try meditating in the morning or afternoon when you're more awake. Feeling restless. If you're fidgety, your body might need movement. Consider doing some light stretching or a walk before you sit down to meditate. Feeling nothing. If meditation feels dull or uneventful, that's completely normal. Meditation is about patience and letting go of expectations. Keep going, and the benefits will develop over time. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to keep you updated. Isabella's Homes, your recovery gateway.